everybody, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a one-page Christmas wonder today. So you guys know I love to come up with fun one-page wonder type things, and I don't believe I've done this one. I always have to question myself, but I'm pretty sure I haven't. I've been on this kick, right, with the pockets in the front. So that's what I'm doing here. I just have this little pocket slide in the front. And then when we open it, it's a really simple traditional album. And it's very rare I use like traditional colors, but I had a lot of fun with this. And I've done this little tag up front, and I actually made it pretty detailed. I thought this was fun to show because I made little berries kind of like 3D with the paint, and just had a really good time just making fun with the tag. And then you've got to flip it, and this is where I just used an old tutorial, and this is just one of those no clip clips, and I know I'm gonna get a question for this, so I'll put the tutorial, but these are really simple little clips I made just to like dress it up just a little bit. And here is just a simple, little tuck in. I just needed to do something with that page, so I did that. And then you open it and you have another pocket option here, and you have this, little vellum, just because I like to add vellum and everything. So that is the one-page Christmas wonder. All right, so of course we're going to use a 12 by 12 paper, and you can use one 12 by 12 or two 6 by 12s if you have it. So basically you're just going to grab your 12 by 12 and cut it down to 6 by 12. So this right here would make it one 12 by 12 paper, and I've already cut mine in half. So I'm going to, we're going to do like the little pocket page first. So why is this upside down? Okay, so I'm going to do the front pocket because I want that red to be showing right here. So let me grab my scoreboard and my measurements if I can find them, which is right here. 1 second. Okay, so at the 12-inch score, which is all the way over here, we're going to score it at 1.5, 5.5, and 9.5. So 1.5, 5.5, and 9.5. So that's going to be our little pockets, and then you'll see how easy it kind of comes together, because this is going to be our little front right here. And then this piece is going to be that back pocket. So you can just kind of see how it's folding its place, and I'm just going to go ahead and fold this over. And so it's going to just be like that. Actually, I'm sorry, hold on. I meant to do it this way. No, I do it this way. Okay, I'm confusing myself. All right, so, and then the next piece, your other piece right here, your other 6 by 12 piece, we are going to, hold on, let me just get that out of the way. We're going to score this at 4 inches and 8 inches. So 4 and 8, it's pretty even. 4 and 8. And it's just going to make these really easy folds. So I had done this a few ways, and I ended up doing it this way because it folds easy when we do this album. I had, like, sometimes when I'm trying to figure out, I pull my hair out trying to figure out, because when the scores are so perfectly even, sometimes they'll overlap and it'll cause the album to not, be good or whatever. Okay, so anyway. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to grab this piece, this first piece that we made, and we are going to connect it to this. Okay, so we have this folded right. We're going to connect this, and if you want to, round it or whatever, you can do that. Let me add some glue because I'm just going to kind of go along and show you. So we're going to add the glue to the bottom too, or else it's going to kind of fall out. Oop, that was way wonky. So here, and I'm just going to add some on the bottom here, just a little bit, and then right here. And then we're going to put that on that little front page right there. So that's how we get that cool little pocket in the front. And then this page here, so originally I had left this out as like a flip, and it was just getting in the way. So that's why I just decided to turn this part into a pocket. So if you are using double-sided paper and you don't like this side, you can always flip it this way and it will be fine too. But I'm just gonna fold mine in and do it like this, and you're gonna have that little swinging pocket. So we have our little, well, we're supposed to have our pocket, but I'm not letting this glue dry. And we can just thumb notch to the top. And again, like the reason why I didn't pick it just to open, it was just getting crazy. I'm sure you can figure out a little way or just score it differently. So let me just close my pocket up, which I'm just gonna put some glue here in the bottom. So I'm gonna put it right here. So now we have our little swinging pocket. So we have our little front pocket here, which I need to fix this because it's driving me crazy. I didn't glue it good on there. So front pocket, this pocket, and then this is so simple because this is just our little back pocket right here. And again, if you want a corner around it or whatever, do that now before you seal it. Or you can even just leave this as a fun like flap type thing if you want. But I do like having that extra tuck-in spot. So this way, when you fold it, you're not gonna have any weird things going on. It just folds like better. Oops, let me do this. So, I mean, it's up to you. You can fold it here, here. I'm just gonna leave mine like that. And then it just folds nice, I feel like, this way. And then if you have to, just take a little score and flatten it down. And then there's your book. So, I mean, this is a fun little wonder page. I really like this. So now I'm just going to kind of show you what I did and dress it up a little bit. All right, let me just, I'm trying to fold this down. Sometimes it takes all my power. All right, so let me put this under here because did you guys notice? So you guys know I love to use the gold, but I actually used red for this one. And I love this red because it's funny, it was in my kit and I had never really used it because it said holographic and I was like, I don't know if I want holographic, but it's actually a really pretty vintage red. And this is from my glitter kit. But oh my goodness, you guys really enjoyed that last tutorial. You guys, I never know what you guys are gonna love and what's gonna be like a fluke. Sometimes I'm like, oh, they're gonna really love this one, and then that one won't, like, you guys don't seem to care for it. And then it's always the one that I just kind of put up on a whim and you guys really enjoy it. So here is my glitter strip, just using some double-sided tape here. And this one is called Holographic Red, and it's this really pretty vintage red color. Ooh, goodness, I did not mean to do that. I'm gonna have to recycle this. I'm getting too happy, glitter happy over here, but isn't that like the perfect red for this? So there is that, and hold on you guys, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna have to clean up real quick because if I throw this on the side of my desk, it's gonna be terrible. So 1, 2, 3, all done. All right, and sorry, I didn't mean to shake that. And I'm just gonna grab some of these goodies, and this is just some pretty little cards and things, and just add that on there. And I honestly love the, like, I love this stripe so much, I didn't even touch it and really add anything to it because I liked it just the way it was. And here I had made just a simple little tag, another one, and you can just see I put the gingham thing. I had just cut a 4x6 project card and just kind of put it in there. And these papers are printed so nice. I mean, they really don't even need much. I've just got these things going on. So this one's already pretty busy, and I forgot it was going to be that busy. So can I put something? Sure, I'll just put that on there, which is just another cutout piece from this collection, which is gorgeous, by the way. Or you can add another pocket, it's up to you. I mean, this doesn't even need anything, but I guess I'll add something. I've got these stickers here. So let's see here. I'm not sure what to add. Maybe it's just something small. Because I feel like it already is dressed up. So here I had used that sticker, but it doesn't really need much, I feel like. And then I did make another one of these no clip clips, or is it no clip clip? I think so. So this one I made more flat and it's a little bigger. So let me show you this one here. And again, it's in, so you could see the size difference. And then in this one, I just kind of left it up because I liked the way that looked. And this one is just kind of flat. Because if you're doing flat mail, realistically, you want it to be flat. So I'm just going to show you. And it kind of goes deeper. So when you use the longer one, it has a little bit more length than if you use it small. And then you can just clip whatever you want in there. I wonder if even like tea or something could slide in there. So I'm just going to put that there just to show you guys there's something there. And for my vellum piece in the middle, I just did a 3 3/4 by 7.5 inch paper. And if you want to score it at the 7.5 inch, it's at 5 1/4, but I'm just going to eyeball it. So I usually just take my vellum and just eyeball it. And I have glitter all over my desk. Oop, it's not going to be long enough or short enough. No, long, sorry. Okay, and you can add your little thingy, notch. And just, you can either tape it, which I'm pretty sure I did, but I'm just going to do this. I didn't even glue the sides, I just left it open. So that's up to you. Holy cow, look at all that glitter in there. I did a hack job on that one. I'm going to have a lot of cleaning to do, so don't be surprised if there's glitter on my desk next time I'm filming. All right, and let's just add just something in there. And just a pretty sticker. I'm going to stick on this bottom pocket right here. And then we've got these little side pockets here just to show you that there's something in there. And I'm going to add another sticker right here. This was actually a little tag I made out of the die, but I'm going to add this one here. So yeah, this one I did put it. So I definitely didn't glue it. I had taped it because you'll see that vellum unless you smudge it. And then I've got this, which you can just take anything and just kind of, you know, make it a little tuck in. I think I'll use this because this is just a little project card. I'm just going to cut it down a little bit. And did I make that crooked? I feel like I did. I'll fix it. And this bow, by the way, is that one that I got from my scrapbook haul. It's so pretty. And so are these little pieces that I got with it. So I add these little pieces here just to make it come alive a little bit. This is pretty too. I feel like these are the pine like leaves. So those are really pretty too, but I don't know, I'm just gonna stick with this, I guess. It's gonna be covering the poinsettia, but that's okay. So anyways, you guys, my son is still sick. It sounds like a really bad sinus thing. I got him tested for everything, like strep, flu, blah, 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 and he came negative. So I was like, but he's just really not feeling well. So he's been home. So that's why I didn't do my little Sunday thing. Okay, so there is that. And you know what I thought would be pretty? And I forgot to mention this, like right here, I did do this pocket, but kind of like thought it would be pretty to put a shaker here. Like how pretty would that be to put like a festive Christmas colored with a Christmas die or something in it? I just thought that was so pretty. And let me add the little, this is just a sticker, but of course you can add a tab, but I just liked it here. I thought it was a nice little touch on there. And if you want, you could even add a pocket on the back, but I didn't do that. So there it is. This is the simple little one-page Christmas wonder. It just is so simple. And I don't know why I'm obsessed with the pocket in the front, because I feel like you have to dress up your cover, you know, and I feel like pockets make it so much easier to dress up. You know what I mean? Like when you do a mini album or a journal, you've got this blank canvas and you always have to fill it up. So the pockets just are easier. Let me know if you guys like that. Anyways, thanks so much, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you soon.